how you can get simple, easy, yet naturally looking brows with just these 3 brow products. Welcome, my name is Savannah and I upload videos every Wednesday and Friday to my channel, and it would mean everything to me if you would click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'm going to spoolie my hairs up and find the arch of my brow better. I don't have very many hairs, so that won't be a problem. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in medium brow, and I'm going to tap in, wipe off any of the excess, and without arching my brows up, I'm going to start right about in the middle, all that bottom arch line, and use light strokes. And I'm going to bring that to the end. Then with what's left on, I'm going to start at the top and work my way down, connecting the two. Just dip back in lightly, wipe just the little bit off, and starting at the tip of my brow, I'm going to just start filling in. Now, you should be to here right now. I'm going to raise my eyebrows. Going to put my brush right here, draw a straight line to connect to this already line. And then I do it to the top. I usually turn my brush, instead of it being this way, I usually turn it this way and do it at least halfway, and then on the top. And when you look down, your eyebrows shouldn't go in the crease right here. They should just kind of start going straight. I'm gonna take a alcohol pad, wipe up inside underneath my eye before I put the concealer on. I'm just using the Maybelline Instant Rewind, and this is in Cool Ivory. I just like apply the applicator to it. I like using this one because it brightens. I then take a damp mini beauty blender and blend. Now I'm going to take out of my James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna take this really pretty brown color. Have all the things that I've used in today's video down below. I am taking a Sephora brow brush and I'm just blending it on and filling in my brows.